In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Pay on the Xbox One and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use Apple Pay to buy games, expansions, add-ons, and hardware on the Xbox One Microsoft Store, what you may try to do is open up the store directly, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. If you try to do this, when you reach checkout and you are ready to buy, when it's time to choose a payment method, you will notice that you can use any of your registered payment methods or add a new one. However, when trying to add a new payment method, Apple Pay is not going to be available directly from the store. So what you can try instead is to go over to your actual console settings, and in there under the account category, you can find the payment and billing options where you can attribute a new payment method to the console. However, once again, even if you go to this window and you tap the plus sign to add a new payment method, Apple Pay is not going to be available. You will always see credit or debit card or PayPal according to your region, but Apple Pay is nowhere to be seen. So as of today, is it truly impossible to use Apple Pay to make digital purchases on the Xbox One? Is there some sort of workaround, maybe by using newer gen consoles? Sadly, as it stands today, Apple Pay is not available as a payment method on the Microsoft Store. This is true for Xbox One and also newer gen consoles such as Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. It is unfortunate because using Apple Pay would allow many people to buy games that they normally wouldn't be able to. Unless Microsoft and Apple update this in the future, it is going to remain impossible to pay for your purchases using Apple Pay. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the payment methods in the Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S Microsoft Store. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.